Good morning, all of you. In this video, we are going to plot the vector, raw vector and column vector of matrix. So, first of all, in this video, we will uh, plot row vector and column vector. Then after matrix. Let's see and follow me what I will do. First of all, let's say you have to assign a variable. Let's say a. It is in capital or small letter also. A is equal to, let's say, and if you have to put any numbers, then you have to put in a brackets like that. Let's say any numbers, we can insert this bracket 1 2 3 4 bracket close, and you will get a row vector. In similar ways, if you want to plotting a column vector, then you have to do this type. You have to follow this type of approach. Let's say b is equal to, in bracket you have write, let's say, let's we take any number 5, and we use a semicolon to change the next line, to go for next line. So let's take 6 semicolon 7 semicolon 8, and you will get the result in column vector as you see in the screen. Now if you want to plot a matrix, then how you will plot? So there have approach, and we will see what approach we follow. Let's see, we take another variable c, okay, and we want to draw 3 cross 3 matrix. Then how we will draw? So I will do what? First 1 comma 2 comma 3, this is a row, and you have to shift in another row. We will use a semicolon. This is first row. Again you can plot any number, let's say 4 5 6. We have used comma 4 5 6, and we will use a semicolon to change the row. And third one 7 8, sorry, 7 8 9, and bracket close, and you will get the 3 cross 3 matrix as you see on the screen. I hope you understand how we plot um, any row vector, column vector, or any matrix in Matlab. Now we perform addition. So basically, if you want to adding um but first of all, you have to clear these things, and we will use the command clc. Okay, clc we will use, and we will remove all. Now now we perform some operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So what we use command? First of all, you have to assign the value which you are going to add. Let's say I will take a variable and assign 1. A is equal to 1, and b is equal to, can take any number, I will take 7. Now you can perform addition, subtraction, multiplication on these two variable, in which we assign the constant. First we perform addition. So let's say a plus b, you will get 8. Now next subtraction, a minus b, you will get minus 6, as you get the answer. Now we use product. You have to use the product symbol for multiplications, but you have to absorb these things. If you take a variable, if you take a small variable a and b, then in that case, if you want to if you're going to multiply, then same time you have to take the same variable, either it is small or either it is capital, which you assigns starting in starting. So if you do these things, then you will get error. But here by default is automatically changed a into b. That's why we get answer. Now last thing is, we have how we find divisions. A divided by b, and you will get 0.1429. So this is the basic operations of not a matrix. This is the basic operations of addition, subtraction, multiplications. Now, um, now we add the matrices, right? So there is conditions of adding matrices. What are the conditions? Condition is very simple. If you have two matrix, so matrix will be have same order. If order is different, you will get different answer. Let's take one example. First of all, we will erase all these things. Okay, you will take a matrix A and we put the, let's take 2 cross 2 matrix 1, 2, comma 3, 4. Okay, you will get a matrix A having degree 2 cross 2 ka matrix. You will get another matrix we will make is which is also having 2 cross 2 order of matrix. Let's say 3, 4, and you have to use semicolon for changing the row, and 6, 7, whatever you want, you can take step number. You will get a B. B is a matrix having 2 cross 2 order. Now here you can also perform addition, subtraction, division, whatever you want. Let's say A plus B, you will get the answer. What we did in class 12. If you want to additions of matrix, corresponding elements of the matrix will be added. 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 3 9, 7 plus 4 is 11. Similarly, you can also subtract this matrix and you will get same result. But yes, now for multiplications, here multiplications will also be done. You can check also. But in multiplication, there are some conditions applied. Condition is what? Condition says that कि अगर आपके पास, suppose that if you have 2 cross 2 matrix A and this matrix B having 2 cross 2, in that case जो the matrix first, the column of first matrix should be equal to row of second matrix, and the order of matrix will be row of first matrix into column of matrix. I hope you understand. Now if you want to transpose, if you want to transpose these things, and you will use, sorry, if you want to transpose of the matrix A plus B, then you will get the transpose. Transpose is nothing but you have to change the row into column and column into row. 4 6 in row in transpose, 4 6 in column, 9 1 11 is in row, and in transpose it will be in column. That's it. Now if you want to inverse, let's say inverse karna, you, now if you want to rank, if you want to find rank of matrix, simple. Rank for rank, if you want to rank A, then you will get 2. That's simple. Now if you want to find the adjoint of matrix, so basically you will use ADJ adjoint of A command, then you will get the adjoint of A. If you want to inverse of matrix, you will get the inverse also. In this way you can find any types of operation which we study on during the class 12 for finding transpose of matrix, adjoint of matrix, whatever you want you can do. That's all. That's a motto. Okay, I hope still at at this point you have no any doubt, any confusion. I will move further in next video. For now I will stop our work here, and I will begin the after this video of remaining part. Thank you.